Boo!
Wow,
I think that was passable quality.
that
Shame
was
on you.
very
It could
embarrassing
have been
for
better.
you, probably. Good job.
Hooray.